This year's Bala Kala Vikas Children's Art Exhibition 2025 is a 5-day celebration of youthful creativity running from May 10 to 14, featuring an art exhibition and series of hands-on workshops. The event showcases around 80 paintings by 45 children from across Hyderabad, transforming the space into a kaleidoscope of innocence, color, and curiosity. The walls of Eshwariah Art Gallery came alive, not with the works of seasoned masters, but with the vibrant and imaginative creations of young artists aged 6 to 18 years. The artworks span a variety of styles and mediums, from pastels, watercolors, acrylics, and soft pastels to collages and abstract compositions. The open theme format allowed the children to freely explore subjects ranging from fruits, flowers, and deities to socially conscious topics like terrorism, highlighting the recent Pahalgam attack and environmental preservation. Adding to the charm, the children themselves acted as guides, eagerly explaining their pieces to visitors, often narrating stories that went far beyond the canvas, leaving guests both amused and impressed. As the inaugural day wrapped up with cheerful applause and beaming faces, both young and old, it became clear that this was more than an art exhibition. It was a celebration of imagination, joy, and the pure, unfiltered creativity that only children can bring to life. M. Sanjay Kumar, director of M. Eshwariah Art Gallery, says, "Art is a career like any other. It's all about learning and applying. It's a myth that art cannot be a good profession. Everyone is a born creative. We should nurture that and encourage children to explore and pursue it professionally if they wish." Srimati Uddandam Shivakumari, an art guru at Siri Institute of Painting, advises children not to be afraid of hardships. You must keep practicing until you achieve greatness in your art. Working in the arts allows you to communicate your feelings, both positive and negative, about your environment. She found the ideas and works of the art produced by the young children amusing. Sponsored by St. Peter's High School, Bovanpalli, the event is not just about display but also about discovery. It offers children an engaging way to spend their summer break, learning new skills while expressing their unique artistic voices.